In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark decorative images so screen readers ignore them in PowerPoint. Let's dive in and make your presentations more accessible efficiently. First and foremost, you'll want to open up your browser and head over to Microsoft PowerPoint. If you're not using a desktop application, simply search for Microsoft PowerPoint in your preferred search engine and click on the link that will direct you to PowerPoint's online version. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. Ensure you have your credentials at hand, as logging in is essential to accessing your presentation projects. After successfully logging in, navigate to PowerPoint and open the specific presentation where you want to mark images as decorative. Now, it's time to select the image or images you'd like to modify. Simply click on the image to highlight it, which lets PowerPoint know that it's the subject of your next actions. Next, you have to access the Alt Text pane, a crucial step in this process. So, right-click on the selected image and choose the option labeled Edit Alt Text from the context menu. With the Alt Text pane now open on the right side of the screen, look for a checkbox labeled Mark as Decorative. It's crucial for understanding that by marking an image as decorative, you indicate to screen readers that this image doesn't convey important information and can thus be skipped. Check this box to simplify the presentation for those using accessibility tools. You'll notice that once the box is checked, the text field, where you would typically enter a description, toggles to a grayed-out state. This visual change confirms that the image is now recognized as decorative and will be ignored by screen readers, streamlining the experience for individuals relying on such technology. Taking these steps not only enhances the presentation's accessibility, but aligns with best practices for inclusive design. Decorative images, like embellishments or repetitive designs, often do not provide any added meaning or context. By marking them appropriately, you ensure that users who utilize screen readers aren't distracted by non-essential elements, allowing them to focus on the actual content meant to communicate key messages. Plus, it makes navigating through a presentation much less overwhelming, creating an overall cleaner experience. It's a small but impactful action in crafting considerate and accessible information sharing. With that, you've learned how to effectively mark decorative images in PowerPoint presentations to be ignored by screen readers. This tweak supports inclusivity and accessibility, embodying the power of technology to cater to a diverse range of users. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, these little adjustments in your tech habits can make a significant difference. Until next time.